Hi guys, this is a quick video of using the Southord pick gun on a cylinder lock, and this cylinder lock is a YALE which was given to me by the very kind pick wizard on the DBC locksmith forum, with a few other locks and might add a couple of bump keys that were absolutely fantastic, and might I add, he made them himself. So cheers for locks and cheers for the bump keys. Let's have a go at this. My wrench slips a tad there now and again, so I've got to be very careful how I place it in, but there was no key given with this. You can see that's locked up. Pick gun. They are literally hit and miss, like bumping locks really. You can have one bash with a bump key and a bump hammer. Same with this, you can click and click and click away till it gets it, providing your tension's right. But let's just get that in. It slipped there a tad, so I hope it'll. Oh. One click, and I hope you can see from that it's actually got it. Move it back because I don't actually have an auto focus on the camera, but it has picked the lock, and you might have heard the pins reset there. So let's show you that that's locked up again. That's the wrench slipping, it's nothing to do with the lock. Let's get that back in and give it one more go. See, applying a bit of tension on the tension wrench itself. I was lucky that time. One click on that and it's done it, which I will go into it in a split second regarding the pick gun. So let's put that to one side. That's the wrench that comes with the Southord. It is good on certain locks depending on the opening. I have used before bits and pieces from other toolkits, but what we've got there is the Southord pick gun, as you can see, and it baffled me a tad because on the top wheel here, I want to try face it that way to you guys, is lowest at the top, so when you wheel it up, and that's on the lowest tension for the YALE. It works really well, but you can wheel that down to high tension, but on the guns its high tension is low. You've got another bit here that adjusts like the reach from when you're pulling the trigger, so you can get that closer into the actual handle. That must depend on hand size, I assume, because it does more or less the same job, but I prefer that actually where it is. So I do hope you watch that. Just make sure guys as well that if you're using the pick gun, after snapping a few times, adjust this little grub screw, and it's not just on the Southord, it's every snap gun that you'll purchase. Whenever you're cracking that back there, that will get loose without a doubt. There's nothing you can do about it, so I literally go in and nip it up every few cracks at a lock. So thanks for watching that guys, and unfortunately for some I'm going to have to do this again with the 200mm laser pointer. It's now my finale. Oh, straight away. That was a good shot. So thanks for watching, and if you do require any lock picking equipment for your toolboxes, guys, please visit www.dbclocksmith.co.uk, and when on there, visit the forum. If you have any trouble with any bits and pieces you've purchased, if you're a newbie, have any trouble, get online, and there's people like myself, moderators, administrators, you name it, we're all there to help. So thanks for watching again, happy picking, and yet again, please keep it legal.